Android TestFlight. It's basically an app tester, so it's like a beta version of app where you can test the features before launching it officially on Play Store. Your iOS also has a TestFlight app, which you can find on App Store, but this is the Android version of TestFlight. So let's see what this app is about. Alright, so when you open the app, here you can get started. You can log in with your email or your Google account. So I'm just going to quickly log in with my Google account. Alright, so I have logged into my Google account. So here are all of the available apps that are on test right now. And you can tap on this how to use to learn how to use this application. It will give you a short tutorial. And if you want to create your own project, you can just tap here and add all of these details. You can add your team members or participants who can use your project. So if you want to use any of these test apps, you can try them right here and rate them as well. So this is what this app is about. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.